Hey everyone, today we'll be going over the Knob Hills mountain biking trail over here in Fort Worth, Texas. We'll be going through the first 4 loops through this trail, which will consist of 9 miles in total with 300 feet of elevation gain. We will not be doing the final loop 5 or 6, which just houses the gauntlet. So for the features, I'll be outlining them through the video. There will be a specific marker on the bottom left corner for their name and when I'm actually going through them. That way you can accurately gauge which ones that you think you'll be able to do yourselves, or just how intense this trail may be if you're looking to go yourself. I would say there are a lot of inclines and declines on this. It very much can gas you out if you aren't properly maintaining your breathing and your own cardio. It did me a few times, and definitely take breaks where you need to, but overall I would still say it's more of an intermediate trail, as that's about the level that I am at this time of recording. So it was a great experience. It's absolutely stunning out there. Man. Knob Hills is one of the best trails around here when it comes to just fun features and a well-maintained area. So please continue watching the video. Let me know if there's any trails you would like to see around the DFW area. I hope you enjoy the content I give you and you end up going there yourself and letting me know how it is. So thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Shit. You got that right? Hit it. Slow. Perfect. Got a drop. Whoa. Hell or high water. Let's do it. Woo! Very nice. Fun features there. Beavers at work. Wow, that's pretty. Serenity. Ankle biter. Let's go. Bumpy. Not bad though. A teeter! A teeter! Screw it. Woo! I failed. Should have downshifted on that one a bit earlier. Let's ride. Pulling teeth. Oh shit. Woo! Big ass rocks. Big drop, big drop. Woo! Ah. My nose started going up, I had to bail. Almost fell backwards.
Actually, I don't even know what to do with this thing. It's almost.
Get it off me, dude.
Dude, it is on there.
What is it?
I got it. Don't worry about it. Go.
Okay. Okay, alright. Jesus Christ. Almost busted my ass right there thinking about what was just on me. Woo! That was a tough line. Biggest drop of my life. Ugh. Berm, baby, berm. Let's hit it! Woo! Tight. All right, this is our turnaround point. The berm, baby berm, at loop 5. I believe we're somewhere around here. We're not gonna go to the gauntlet, we're just gonna head back that way. Start this trek back. I'm taking pistol whip. Woo! All right. Hit that shit, Rick. Come on. Good shit. Go past me. Go past me. Woo! Good stuff.
It was so scary.
How'd that feel? Not so bad when you did it though, yeah?
Oh, dude, that was terrifying.
Yeah.
That was worse than the last time. I didn't break at all. I think that's why, because I think the first time I did, I broke.
Yeah, you got it very lightly if you're gonna do it at all. That's good shit though, Rhett. Panic. Let's try not to. Woo! Not too bad. Gator Trail. Ah, shit. Oh. Couldn't quite make that one. Yeah. Yeah, this is where we saw a bunch of bikers not able to do. Shit. Woo! Those were some crazy drops. Pipe. Woo! Woo! Frogger. Punisher. Yeah, it's punishing me. Woo, that was tight. Oh, this. Oh, little bump threw me off. I think that feature specifically threw the chain off my bike a year ago. bypass around some bees. Chutes and Ladders.
No, it's this one, right?
Yes, sir. Woo! That was good. Oh, this one's a killer. Ain't no way I'm making this. I'm walking this. This one's especially bad because of this walk right here. I've never been able to successfully get through here. I think that was a shortcut. I'm not really sure if I was supposed to do that. You did it! Good shit, man. We're done. The constant ups and downs will sneak up on you, but fantastic trail.